Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. Today's video is just me cleaning around the house. I had a lot of cleaning to get done because the day prior I just decided to take the time off and not clean very much. So of course I picked up after my kids. I have a 3-year-old and a 7-month-old, if you didn't know, and we live over here in Okinawa, Japan, if you're new. If I didn't mention, my name is Charlotte, and yeah, so today's video is all about me just cleaning around the house. And if you do like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And comment down below if you'd like to see more videos like this from me or some other kinds. I do have other kinds of videos on my channel other than cleaning. I do a lot of lifestyle, vlogs, empties videos, favorites videos, stuff like that. So down in the description box, I'll have my main channel link down below. And I hope you enjoy this video. So here we are. I've got my breakfast here with Ava. We had some pancakes this morning, so I'm going to clean up after that and go into the kitchen and put some clean dishes that we cleaned last night to dry. I'm going to put those away, and there's some dishes inside of the sink and my coffee. I made a coffee this morning. But yeah, so I've got dishes in there from breakfast. This is Asher's bottle from earlier. So as I'm cleaning, I'm just going to kind of talk to you guys about stuff and just what's been going on around here. Again, we live over in Okinawa, Japan, if you don't already know that. And if you haven't watched my videos before, I have lots of vlogs and types of videos as to what our experience has been over here. I do plan on doing a new video soon of how I've been dealing with living overseas in a foreign country, and possibly be doing it over again in the coming years. So we're considering doing that again. So if you're kind of interested in learning about different countries and that kind of thing, I am planning on doing some more vlogging and just inputting that in my videos and stuff like that. But I also do some cleaning videos as well, if that's what you're here for. Oh, it's so satisfying to see a clean sink. Am I right? Okay, so if you haven't noticed, I don't do voiceovers that often, at least not when I'm just like trying to talk to you guys. So bear with me, I'm working on it. Today is the first day that we actually have a sitter/nanny in our home, and I am working hard on starting to do my YouTube while she is here. So I do plan on doing more videos throughout the week. I have been doing about 1 to 2 each week for quite some time now, but I would like to manage to get things organized where I will have about 3 videos a week. So look out on that, and they are coming, and I do take this very seriously because I really do enjoy my just making videos. So this is the Mrs. Meyer's cleaning spray for all purpose, and I'm just cleaning up the spots where Ava and I had breakfast. Here she is. That's Ava. And I've got Asher in my arms while I'm cleaning off the surface. That's typical mom life. The weather here in Okinawa is just now starting to cool off a little bit. Cool off meaning like 70 degrees, below 50 in the nighttime. So in this video, that day was really hot, so that's why everyone's in like short sleeves and stuff. But I'm going to throw in some laundry now and clean up the bathroom a little bit, I believe.
grab Ava here shortly, get her and take off her clothes, get her pajamas in the dryer or the washer, and here's Bubba. He's not crawling yet, but he's working on it. He's our chunky baby. Ava wasn't as big as him. Alright, so we're going to go into Ava's room and clean up. Yes, that's pee. We leave her little potty in her room so she doesn't have accidents in her bed. And Asher's hanging out there for right now. And I'm just going to tidy up her room. And I do usually make her bed and put things together. I've kind of made a bad habit of always picking up after her. I do try to get her to pick up after herself sometimes, but it's usually a fight. And I'm just not, I don't know. I have a way of doing things, so eventually I will for sure have her start doing it herself, but until then, I don't know. I'm just waiting. I'm going to wipe down things on her surface here. And clean out her potty with the all-purpose spray. Of course, I've already got rid of the potty. And this little potty will go into into the bathroom, or the toilet room. And vacuuming this little rug. She's got a new princess dress and the sparkles on it come off. Didn't realize it until we got it home, but you know, it's just life with a little girl. Yes, there's dirt. And here it is. I'm all done. And there's Ava with her Burger King queen hat. It's from when she was a year old. Just good memorabilia. And we're into our master bedroom. Asher's hanging out on the floor there, as you saw. And I've already cleaned up in here because every video I do, I always show my bed being made. And I just figured I'd just show you that I actually did it, but without showing you. So, and socks. That's pretty much the only thing I had to pick up in there from this morning. And we're going to go into the laundry room here. I'm going to vacuum. And just clean the surface there by the sink and a little bit on the mirror. It wasn't terribly dirty, so I didn't remove everything. Just a quick wipe down for it. So the music in this video is kind of generic, as you can tell, but I am in the process of trying to figure out how to do that whole like downloading the video or the music and not getting a copyright and that kind of thing. So I am going to start looking into that real soon, so bear with me, I'm working on it. Alright, back with the all-purpose spray. I'm going into the bathroom now, cleaning up the toilet and just the areas in there. has non-bleach Lysol for the toilet bowl. And this is not a urinal. It is the little tiny sink in the bathroom. I'm taking out the trash in there and putting a new bag in. Okay, spray the top of that because it gets dusty. I'm going to make a DIY cleaner for the microwave. I gotta clean it real bad, you'll see. But that's just lemon, doTERRA essential oils, some distilled water, and the distilled vinegar, white vinegar. Yeah, so I've kind of lacked on that, but there is the mixture going in for 5 minutes. And I'm just going to clean up a little bit more from dishes that I've already accumulated into the sink. And while that is working its little magic, it just moisturizes things inside the microwave. I'm just going to put the dishes away too. Alright, so it's done. It's steaming, as you can see, and very wet in there, and that's what you want. That helps the grime come off, and it smells really good. So definitely that bowl is really hot. Take your gloves or towel and get it out of there, and everything just wipes off pretty easily. With the plate, I just went ahead and wiped it off with the mixture. I just dipped the paper towel in it and wiped it down with it, and it worked great. Alright, so I'm going to clean the floors in the kitchen. Sparkles, sparkle, sparkles. They're everywhere. Some grime on the floor. I'm just going to wipe it up with my DIY mixture inside of this, I forget what it's called. Alright, so I'm going to clean up the living room real quick.
So that's the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And again, I will leave my main channel options in the description bar below, and a few other videos that I have recently done. It's only 9 a.m. right now, and I've got all that done, changed, and we're about to go to the store real quick. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you again in the next one. Bye for now.